MOVE is in the move and trending. This is Friday, the 23rd of January 2026. The stock is drawing outsized attention across trading and investing communities following news that its major partner, Corvex, has secured a long term deployment of NVIDIA's H200 GPUs to scale AI infrastructure operations. The announcement has linked the company via the proposed merger to high growth AI computer and data infrastructure narrative, immediately elevating its profile among momentum traders and AI themed investors. This development has triggered a sharp surge in trading volume and volatility, amplified by the stock's exceptionally low public float. Many participants argue that this setup is highly conducive to or for a potential short squeeze with limited available shares, rising speculative demand, and the perceived credibility boost from an NVIDIA-aligned AI deployment. Bulls believe that even modest incremental buying pressure could force rapid repricing, particularly if follow-up announcements provide greater clarity on revenue visibility, utilization rates, or long-term contracts tied to the GPU deployment. However, sentiment remains deeply polarized. Skeptics caution that NVIDIA association may be largely indirect and potentially overemphasized by speculative traders, stressing that the actual economic benefits to the company depend heavily on merger execution, financing structure, and how much value ultimately accrues to the company's shareholders. Concerns around future capital raises, share issuance, or dilution are frequently raised, especially given that it has that low float. Yeah, and also the fact that the capital intensive nature of AI infrastructure and data center scaling. You know, so you can read more in the description box below. So far, its usual 50-day average is around 1.1 million shares, and now we are looking at 39x of that average. Okay, it's hard to borrow, and but the rate is not that high. Okay, underlying trend is bullish. The 200-day moving average is now trending. Okay, so meaning that it's at least it's rising by a pace of at the momentum of 0.25 cents every day. So the stock is showing a lot of strength within that bullish underlying trend within the yeah. So the stock is still showing a lot of strength within a longer term bullish trend. Okay, so ignore what is going on right now. What matters is the price pressure momentum value. I checked it and it's 0.25 or thereabout. So it is trending. Okay, so high prices are expected to remain in place at least up till the 29th, Thursday the 29th. Then after that, there's a prospect of it contracting, going all the way towards the 12th of February. Then after that, it's indicating that the uptrend may resume. Okay, what do we know? Okay, could it be what we have just read out now? Could it be that this merger and this news is may bode well for the stock? Would it is it would it result in a re-rating as the radio readout indicated? Well, in any case, currently projections are saying 10.04. It's a downward projection. Previous projections went read as high as 17.07. Let's see what it has, what it printed in terms of yeah, $23.9, $23.9. Yeah, I think we have to have a look at it for our chart. Okay, so for now, momentum is expected to remain strong. Well, consolidate at least up to Tuesday the 27th, and after that, there's a prospect that it might begin to contract, which aligns with this extrapolation here. That is saying that some contraction may begin to play out from Friday the 30th, and in doing so, the stock may drop below its 10-day moving average, but it's expected to begin to pick up as well, aligning with what we have here as well. So let's just quickly see what we have on its 4-hour chart. Here, contraction is already playing out and is saying that it might remain in place up till the 3rd of February. Yeah, given that it has this intraday high and it's trading at a discount to that now. So it's, yeah, contraction is already in play. And the momentum is also expected to continue to weaken up till the 27th of January. After that, it's more of, it's just going, expect to go flat. Okay, we need to see what the price pressure momentum is going to indicate for us. I mean, the market greed, given this the intraday high we've seen over there. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, 20, yeah, 26.17. It is largely down to this intraday high of 23.9. So it has potential to get up to 26.17, but you can't rely on that as well. It's contracting at currently at 15.95. It has another support around 15.26. There's a chance it might pull all the way down and has potential to print all the way down to $8.5. So it's been a volatile session and it's also a low float stock as well. So it cuts both ways. It cuts both ways. So short interest, even though it was mentioned, we haven't really seen it's not that significant, but it doesn't mean that it hasn't already increased. Because obviously those figures are never up to date. They are a bit they're a bit old, a bit they're lagging data. So as things stand right now, surely short interest would have picked up. Yeah, so just see what you make of MOVE, and I will definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.